Hi, I'm Lily with everything you need to know about cellular processes. First, you should know what a semi-permeable membrane is. A semi-permeable membrane is the outermost layer of a cell that keeps everything in shape and safe. It allows certain things in and out, but you have to be the correct shape and size. Think of the classroom door. An elephant couldn't fit through, but you could. Diffusion is the cellular process of an area being completely filled. Think of an oil diffuser. If you release the gas, it is going into an area of low concentration. The high concentration will continue into the low concentration until an entire area is filled evenly. Finally, osmosis is a special process that can only occur in liquid, and it's the only exception of Mother Nature liking balance. Normally, if you put a rock in a river, water will go back around, but in this instance, things are a bit different. There's a solute and a solvent. A solute is the solid and the solvent is the liquid. If there is too much liquid somewhere and it needs to be pulled, Mother Nature will pull the liquid to one side, even though it's imbalanced. That's all for me. Now on to Destiny.
Thanks, Lily. Hi, I'm Destiny. In cellular processes, passive transport and active transport are ways in which things get around. While there are both forms of transportation, one requires energy while the other doesn't. Passive transport is the form which doesn't require any energy. Think of passive transport as everything being equal. For example, if there are two buckets of water with a tube connecting them both, if sugar were to be put into one of the two buckets, it would diffuse itself equally into the other side. As for active transport, it does require energy. There are three possible ways for active transport to be done. One way is when the phosphates move together to surround the particles, forming a vesicle. When this happens, it pulls the particles from low concentration into high concentration. This can be done from either the outside or the inside of the cell. Another way is when ATP, adenosine triphosphate, breaks apart and one of the phosphates connects to the proteins to again grab and pull the particles in from low concentration to high concentration. To recap, active and passive transport are ways in which things get around. While one may require energy and the other doesn't, they both ultimately do the same thing. That's all for us. Come back next time for more information on cellular processes.